They're in many states, so.
I see. Okay.
Well, anybody who makes a bid on it ought to know that they are buying a lawsuit. And that there's already been police reports for the robo-signers who have acted as attorneys that are not licensed as attorneys.
Okay.
So.
Made everybody aware, and I will proceed with the calling of the sale. Trustee sale, the property located 15 West Spring Street, Alexandria, Virginia, 22301. Can I get your sign in?
No, I'm copying the whole thing. It's
public.
It's public. You should know also. You should also know that. You should also know that I'm the homeowner. That there is a suit that has been filed. This is my attorney, Patrick Blaze. That the people who did the affidavit for the trustee put himself, Joe Simmons, as an attorney. He's the attorney number of Judge Donald Alexander.
Read away.
I am going to read away. I've been authorized by Brock and Scott to continue with the sale.
Is this
All right, trustee sale of 15 West Spring Street, Alexandria, Virginia, 22301. An execution of a deed of trust dated February 4, 2005 and recorded on February 10, 2005 as instrument number 05004302 and modified by a loan modification recorded on December 18, 2007 of the City of Alexandria Land Records. Trustee Services of Virginia, LLC, the appointed substitute trustee will offer sale of public auction at the front of the Alexandria City Courthouse, 520 King Street at Alexandria, Virginia, on March 30th, 2018 at 10 a.m. The property more particularly described in the aforementioned deed of trust located at the property address listed below and briefly identified as all that certain lot of parcel of land with its improvements and appurtenances located in the City of Alexandria, Virginia, and more particularly described as lot number 11 in the west half of lot number 12, block number 1 in the subdivision of Temple Park. All the same appears duly dedicated, platted, recorded in deed book 77 at page 172 of the land records of the City of Alexandria, Virginia. This conveyance is made expressly subject to any and all easements, restrictions, and agreements of record, insofar as they may be lawfully applicable to the property hereby conveyed, and to such state of facts as are disclosed by the recorded plat above mentioned. Tax map number is 053.01-04-23. Property address 15 West Spring Street, Alexandria, Virginia 22301. Property will be sold as is conditioned without representation or warranty of any kind and subject to all conditions, covenants, restrictions, reservations, easements, rights of ways, and all other matters of property taken priority over the aforementioned deed of trust, if any, as might be listed in this notice or may be announced at the sale in terms of sale. A non-refundable debtor's deposit of $46,000 or 10% of the sale price, whichever is lower, by cashier's a certified check is required at the time of sale, except for the party secured by the deed of trust. Risk of losses on the purchase from the date and time of the auction. Balance of the purchase price must be paid by cashier's check within 14 days from the sale date. Except for the Virginia grantor tax, all settlement costs and expenses are purchaser's responsibility. Taxes are prorated as of the date of sale. Purchaser is responsible for obtaining possession of the property. If the purchaser defaults, deposit may be forfeited, and the property will be resold at the risk and the cost of the defaulting purchaser, who shall be liable for any deficiency in the purchase price and all costs, expenses, and attorney fees of both sales. If trustee does not convey title for any reason, purchaser's sole remedy in law or equity is return of deposit without interest. This sale is subject to a post-sale audit of the status of the loan secured by the deed of trust, including but not limited to determining whether prior to the sale a forbearance, repayment, or any agreement was entered into, the loan was reinstated or paid off, or whether the property became subject to an automatic stay under the U.S. Bankruptcy Code prior to the sale. In any such event, this sale shall be null and void. Purchaser's sole remedy in law or equity shall be a return of the deposit without interest. Pursuant to the Federal Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, this law firm is a debt collector attempting to collect a debt, and any information obtained will be used for that purpose. I do have an opening bid on behalf of the note holder this morning. Note holder would start the bidding today at $833,000. $833,000.
Just a little outside.
$833,000 is going to go once.
They're buying it back.
$833,000 is going to go twice. Last and final call at $833,000, and hearing no bids here, we'll sell it back to Wells Fargo Bank.
And you'll be hearing from them.
Wells Fargo Bank? Perfect. I have 2 phone calls from them saying they don't own the loan. That is great. Thank you very much.
Could you Bank, National Association as trustee for Option 1 Mortgage Loan Trust, 2005-2 Asset and Certificate Series.
want that
Don't
on
argue
there.
it on the court side.
I'm not.
All right.
I'm not. Oh, we just got them.
All right, thank you guys.